Hey guys,
Welcome to my 6th vlog of 2026.
I think I spend most of my time at home. I need to change that.
But you can't change the weather.
So cold and windy. The reason I got this camera with me so that I can be busy even if I have to pick some stuff. I'll know that I'll be recording myself. So somehow I'll balance it. So let's see how our Tesco time goes. Alright, so I am here at Tesco. I'm gonna start picking up my stuff. Pumpkin seeds, soy milk and some strawberries, blueberries, and then apart from that I'm just gonna keep walking and see what else I need. So let's enjoy our grocery time. First off, I want to show you that there are like little boxes of mixed nuts. Should I take some blackberries tonight or should I take blueberries? I think I'm gonna go for blueberries and strawberries. It's a perfect for my breakfast. Fresh strawberries here. Blueberry, one strawberry. I'm gonna take this completely started drinking soy milk every morning. This is definitely my go-to. I'm taking this to make some wraps. Now it's time to take a hand wash. Let's go home. Hey guys, I'm back home and now I'm going to unbox my parcels. See what's inside. This is from Kitsch. That means the other parcel is also from Kitsch. Bear with me while I open this. Wow, so many products. The exfoliating glove, the heatless curling set. When I went to Paris, I wanted to do some heatless curls. I didn't have this, of course, so I tried to do it with normal t-shirt. I just rolled that and then I started doing it, but it was a hassle. So I would say this is gonna save my time. This is a detangling brush. It looks super cute. Okay, this is made of stainless steel and this is a gua sha. I absolutely love it, and as you all know that I'm obsessed when it comes to skincare and hair care. I love doing it. This pillowcase is something that I needed for so long. I used to use sateen one and then I stopped in between. I don't know why. And I've got my one. This is the Kitsch air dry cream with castor oil. Locks down the freeze for up to 24 hours. The baby blue, amazing. This is the brush. That it was very windy. Showing you. Okay, so this side it's brushed. Okay, it's just amazing. I usually do all this when I'm about to go to my bed. Started doing a very weird thing as well. Like every night when I go to sleep, I actually wash my feet with soap before that. I don't know, it somehow makes me feel really good. Anyway guys, so this is my hair after detangling with this Kitsch brush. Okay, now I'm taking it all to show my shopping. So as you can see the mess, this is basically because I have got a lot of online shopping done. I'm going to show you that what I've got. These products came from India.